ready to turn your knowledge and skills into a thriving online income stream. Today, we're diving into how to create and sell digital products directly on your Wix website, step by step. First, head to your Wix dashboard and navigate to the app market. Search for the Wix Stores app and install it. This is the foundation for selling anything on Wix, including digital items. Once installed, go to the Products tab in your store dashboard. Click the New Product button and select Digital File. Now, give your product a catchy name, write a compelling description that highlights its benefits, and upload an appealing image. Next, upload your digital file, whether it's an ebook, template, or course content. Wix securely delivers these files to your customers after purchase. Set your price and configure your payment options. Wix supports various payment gateways, so choose the ones that work best for you. Optimize your product page for search engines by adding relevant keywords to the title and description. And that's it. Your digital product is now live and ready to sell. Your customers will receive a download link immediately after purchase. Now you can start expanding your online business and diversifying your income streams by selling digital products on Wix.